6339 Burgundy Leaf Lane is a stunning, 3-level, end-unit townhome in Alexandria, Virginia. This lovingly maintained home boasts gleaming hardwood floors, eloquent crown molding, and tasteful wainscoting on the main level. The remodeled gourmet kitchen offers soaring ceilings, exquisite granite counters, and under-cabinet lighting. French doors lead to a well-windowed library, one of the home's 3 bump-out features chosen during original construction. The newly carpeted upper level holds 2 master suites, one with a column detail and sitting area. A master bath provides a soaking tub and all-new glassed-in shower. The spacious lower level can serve as a family room or rec room and includes a sizable private office. A third space can function as your own climate-controlled storage room. And a new stone patio provides ample serenity with its wooded setting. The Overlook is a wonderful townhome community with desirable features. Local schools include Bren Mar Park Elementary, Holmes Middle School, and Thomas Edison High School. Other nearby amenities include Bren Mar Park, the Bren Mar Swim Club, as well as convenient shopping and restaurant options.